Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. AI is everywhere. Coding apps, designing cars, but will it take over VLSI and embedded systems? These fields power our chips and smart devices, and AI is eyeing their jobs. In 2025, tools like OpenAI's O1 and Google's DeepMind are already optimizing circuits and writing firmware fast. Companies like Nvidia and Intel are jumping in, raising big questions for engineers. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll dive into what VLSI and embedded systems are, how AI is shaking them up, and if engineers should worry or celebrate. Let's unpack this tech clash. First, what's VLSI? Very large scale integration is all about cramming millions, even billions of transistors onto tiny chips. Think CPUs, GPUs, and the brains in your phone. Embedded systems are the unsung heroes, small computers inside devices like cars, fridges, or drones. They mix hardware and software to make stuff smart, reliable, and efficient. Both need hardcore engineering. VLSI pros use tools like Verilog to design chips, while embedded folks code in C for tight control. But AI's stepping in and it's got skills. So how's AI crashing this party? In VLSI, AI's designing chips faster than humans. Tools like Synopsys DSO.ai cut design time by 30% in 2025, optimizing layouts humans miss. For embedded systems, AI is writing firmware and tweaking performance. OpenAI's O1, launched in late 2024, can draft C code for microcontrollers. Think smart thermostats in seconds. Big players are all in Nvidia's using AI to streamline RISC-V chip designs, while Intel's AI tools auto-test embedded systems. It's boosting speed and cutting costs like crazy. But it's not just grunt work. AI is getting creative. Google's DeepMind in 2025 optimized a chip's power use 20% better than human teams, spotting tricks we would never dream up. In embedded land, AI is predicting failures before they happen, like in self-driving cars. Tesla's using AI to simulate millions of miles, refining systems faster than manual tweaks. And here's the wild part. AI is learning from open source communities like RISC-V. It's sucking up designs and spitting out upgrades, making 2025 a turbocharged year for both fields. So, will AI take over? Maybe not fully. VLSI still needs humans for big picture design and fab oversight. AI is a tool, not a boss, but it's slashing grunt jobs like layout tweaks. Embedded systems? Same vibe. AI is coding and testing, but engineers set goals and debug real-world quirks. Still, routine firmware gigs might shrink as AI gets smarter in 2025. Jobs aren't vanishing, they are evolving. By 2030, ECE pros might focus on AI integration, not basics. IEEE predicts a 15% job shift with higher pay for hybrid skills. What's next? AI is speeding up VLSI and embedded innovation. Think smarter chips and devices by 2030. But engineers who master AI tools will rule the game, not just ride it. Takeover? No, it's a team up. AI handles the boring stuff. Humans dream big. Companies like TSMC and Qualcomm are hiring hybrid pros now. 2025's the year to skill up. That's the AI VLSI embedded scoop. Worried or excited? Drop your take below, like if you are hyped, and subscribe for more tech clashes. Catch you in the future. Thank you.